How to do it starts in YouTube. So let's get started. First of all, let's open YouTube app and make sure to sign in on your YouTube application. Once you sign into your account, tap on the shorts icon at the bottom left corner of the screen next to the home icon. Now from this page you have to select any YouTube short that you want to do it on, and then once you have chosen or selected, you need to select the remix icon at the bottom right corner of the screen. Then among these different kinds of option, you need to select the collab option, and here you can tap on continue. After that, you'll reach in this page where you have to select the video portion that you wish to do the duet shots of. You can simply drag this end corners bottom in this way easily and choose the duration or the portion. Once done, tap on the next button again at the bottom right corner and wait until the video has been processing. Now once the video will be processed, you will be taken to this page where you can simply tap on the center bottom in this way and easily make the duet on the shorts in YouTube. If you zoom in or zoom out, then you can easily use this left slider, increase or decrease it, and then at the right panel also you will see different kinds of option. You can flip, use the timer, use microphone align, or you can also use the flash. You can turn it off again, and you can trim the video, and if you want to close this all the option, you can tap on close button. Once done, tap on the arrow icon at the bottom right corner, and once it is done, you can also add text, and multiple option here are to customize this YouTube short. So let's tap on next button, and once you tap on this next button, you can easily add the caption and customize all this option here. And once you are done with that, you can upload the short. So in this way you can easily do it shorts in YouTube. I hope this video was helpful. If it was, then make sure to hit the like button. If you are new to our channel, then subscribe our channel for more uploads.